Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for coding. So here you have to search ChatGPT, okay, and just hit the enter. And here click on the try ChatGPT, and after that you will be redirected into the new ChatGPT dashboard, right? So basically you have to log in, and after the login you will come here. So here if I just paste how to use ChatGPT for coding, and if I just hit the enter, here you can say that ChatGPT can be used for coding in several ways, code competition and many more. So I will ask you, can you code a e-commerce website? And let's just hit the enter. Okay, and let's see what's happened here. So here it says that I'm a text generating model and don't have the ability to code a website, right? So basically you can see that if I'm asking to code a full website, the ChatGPT is not able to do it, right? So if I just ask him, can you code a landing page, and just if I hit the enter, let's see that whether it can code it or not, right? So here I will just hit the enter, and let's see what does ChatGPT give it to us. So basically sometimes it's take a really long time just to formulate all the words that we need. And here guys, you can see that it says that I can certainly provide an example of how to code a basic landing page using HTML CSS. So here you can just try it out, and basically you have to be very careful with your words, what you're choosing and what you're writing here, right? So and after that you will get the answer. So you have to verify that whether the ChatGPT is coding it really well or not. Sometimes I have seen that the code is not proper, or it gives us so much error, and there are so many things, issues and bugs, right? So you have to try it once again. But yeah, it can definitely unload the workload that you're having right now. You can ask the ChatGPT, and basically it can show you the basic the basic coding that what we needed today. So this is it guys. If you really found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.